long travel journey. We are finally in Singapore and we are here to surprise my dad. He does not know that we planned this whole trip and all of us are here. This is like his dream family trip, so we are about to go walk into him somewhere in this mall that him and my mom are at. My mom is in on this whole plan, so come along and surprise my dad. Okay, we've got the memo that dad is somewhere in this mall at a KFC, of course. No shock. So we're gonna walk by and see if he notices us.
But we got the crew.
Let's go find dad.
Are you guys making eye contact or not? Yeah. It's so funny.
I made eye contact.
Oh yeah. Did he notice? Yeah, he's like, oh my god.
Okay, he's pointing at us.
Yeah, we can.
Come on in, he said, let's go.
I think that was a success. Susanna knows we're gonna go the other way. I think that worked, eh?
Wow, what is happening here? Jeez.
Well, of course we find you at a KFC.
Yeah. Couldn't have rolled that any
Just
better.
gonna say,
Did you film
I
me?
was
Oh, yeah.
just gonna
I mean,
say
it's
to
like,
your mom,
KFC.
my life dream come true. I thought it was next year.
Oh, weird. We just caught a flight. Hi, Mom. Hi.
We just thought, yeah, it's just.
Well, I almost said to you, I said, hey, that girl looks so much like Susanna.
I know, I walked and I kind of made eye contact and I was like, oh no, he knows.
We should have walked like farther out and then make our way back.
Oh, yeah.
No, I didn't even know it was you.
Surprise?
Oh,
Oh,
he's got his
your
camera.
mom said something to me, and I thought she was talking in her sleep.
What?
She said to me 2 nights ago, says, I just finished texting Ron and Cheryl. Says, Susanna and Luke are flying out today, and this was at 1:30 in the morning. I'm sitting there thinking, what? What do you mean they're
You
flying out
almost
today?
spoiled it, Mom.
I almost? When you said something about you text Ron and Cheryl and Susanna and Christina are flying out today. I'm sitting there, what are you talking about?
For a little more context, my parents were already in Singapore for the last 7 weeks. My sister and I decided to book a flight and surprise my dad probably only about 4 weeks prior to this moment. My grandma and most of my mom's side of the family still lives here too.
First order of business. Hawker Center.
Yeah, got it.
All the favorites.
You share lots of?
I was hoping when you did tell me at the middle of the night that they're leaving today, I was hoping you were telling the truth, but then I thought, no.
Mom almost
Wishful
spoiled it.
thinking.
But yeah, Dad, truthfully, you really didn't expect anything other than maybe today?
Until I actually saw you walking there and I said, gee, that girl looks a lot like Susanna. And I didn't realize, didn't dawn on me, it was actually you.
That's so funny. And this is your 70th birthday dreams come true?
On my bucket list, one of my...
On your bucket list?
Yeah.
Well-
One of the number one things was to have the whole family together in Singapore.
Aw, well thanks Mom for arranging.
You're welcome.
Let's go.
How
Here we
nice
go.
is this?
Come on.
Just a little walk down from the
Get
bungalow.
in there.
Oh, this husband can't resist.
Oh yeah, that's so nice.
In 2019, Christina and Derek and my parents all went to Singapore. Luke and I were invited, but unfortunately, I couldn't get the time off of work. Ever since then, this has been a dream of my dad's to have all of us in Singapore.
So beautiful. These parents of mine, remember when I said we always like to go out for like a little meal every once in a while?
My goodness.
My dad will never say no to a little late night snacky too. Okay, this place is vibey. Little late night eats with the parents.
late night
And on the ocean?
treat one.
What is this?
Pups.
What a good way to end the surprise evening.
Yeah.
Too bad Dirtina and Caleb are in bed.
Yeah.
That's okay though.
Another time.
They need to be rested. Okay, these like late night snacky bites ended up being a full-on meal. This looks so good. Pork belly, prawn skewers, lobster roll, clams, squid. I don't even know what some of these are. And ocean views with my parents. Delicious. Thank you guys, good idea. Everything's got like a nice, like almost like smoky flavor. I want to try that roll. Look at that.
Is that lobster?
Yeah. Wow. I am exhausted. The jet lag is hitting me hard. It is like 9 p.m. so I'm really happy we made it this far. We pushed through to make sure we can try and like reduce the jet lag and get on the Singapore schedule.
I feel great. This is usually when we wake up and I feel like I'm in trouble.
So that's the thing. Luke is not tired right now, but
tired.
he'll try to sleep. Anyways, great first day. Dad was surprised, so mission accomplished. And we just got to like enjoy some time together.
Yeah.
We'll see what else we get up to. Good night.
Bye.
Good morning. We are back with the family and we are going to do a whole breakfast prata with Dad's favorite spot. So we came to go see my grandma or papa, and she got to meet Caleb for the first time ever. It was awesome. Even though we don't speak the same language, so you know.
I speak Mandarin. What are you talking about?
We tried Google Translate. We did the best we could.
It didn't work.
But we're about to go have a really great day. We have a big family barbecue tonight, so we're gonna take you guys all along with us.
What are we gonna do before the barbecue? Eat food, of course. That's what we do.
All right, we're taking you guys along to Al Ahmed Delights, Mom and Dad's favorite breakfast spot, only like 10 minutes from Papa's house. So let's see what it's all about.
Yeah.
All right, before the food comes, we're cooling off with an iced lemon tea and an iced coffee.
So good.
So good?
I mean, I feel like my food reviews are the worst. It's always like, yeah, it's delicious.
good.
So
Yeah.
good. It's great.
Okay, we got the mutton and coin prata. Ooh, soft. Love it. You see that? Yummy.
Forks and spoons.
That looks so good. All for me.
There you go.
How's the egg one?
Really good.
Oh yeah.
Nice pull. A little bit of a chew.
Nice.
That's what we're after.
Okay, this is the tissue prata. Okay, this one's crunchy. This looks good.
Just pushed in you.
Well, then you grab it.
The chaos of a Tang family barbecue has officially started.
Oh yeah.
You think it's crazy for like just my family and my mom and stuff when we like host Christmas? This is on another level. Let's show ya.
Bamboo. Nice.
This looks so good. How many different meats and fish and everything did you
I don't
get?
know. I went to the market and then I just got lost.
This is my kind of like barbecue.
In the Singapore weather.
Smells so good.
Curry chicken.
Ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Getting home. There's a spoon on top.
This one.
too fast. Too fast. Thank you.
Holding beers. I'm gonna say way better than my plate.
Not healthy. Not good.
I think it's quite common here.
I wouldn't laugh.
Can you feel the chaos in the room? I hope you're buzzing with energy after that montage. I am having so much fun editing these vlogs. I can't wait to show you more of this trip. Hit subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.